So 2019 so question 5b under probability. The question reads 13 cubes of the same size numbered 1 to 13 are placed in a bag. If 2 cubes are drawn at random from the bag one after the other and not replaced, what is the probability that A, both cubes are odd numbered, 2, the first one, the second one, only one is even is even numbered. Not the first one, but only one. Okay? So, what we can do to help us answer this question is to draw the tree diagram. Okay? So, our tree diagram is going to have 2 branches. Okay, so our tree diagram is going to have 2 branches. So like this, first picking, so we're going to have odd numbers, then also what? Even numbers, eh? So you ask yourself, how many odd numbers are there? So let's list them. We have 1, 2, let's list all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and what? 13. Okay, so we want to know how many odd numbers we have. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. 7 is not. 9 is not. 11 and 13 either. So, how many even numbers do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 what? I mean, not even numbers, odd numbers. So 7 out of total number of numbers? 13. Okay. Then how about even numbers? We have 1. Even numbers, by the way, are numbers that are divisible by 2. So sometimes you may be asked to write prime numbers. So prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. Okay? 1 and its what? 1 and itself. Alright? Those are prime numbers. Okay? So here, even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of total number of cubes, which is what? 13. Eh? So we are doing this because we want to it to help us answer the questions. Okay. Then second what? Second picking. Eh? Okay. Second picking is odd, even. Even here what? Odd, then even. Eh? Okay, so now we are assuming that the cube that wasn't replaced was what? Was an odd number. Okay, then we remain with how many odd numbers? 6. Over total number will be affected and it will be what? 12. Okay, are you getting the point?
Yes.
Then even numbers will remain intact, as 6, but the total numbers will be affected by 1 because of that odd number that wasn't replaced. So it will be what? 12. Then we are here now. The second branch. Now we are assuming that the cube that wasn't replaced was what? Was an even what? Even number. How many even numbers can we remain with if we do that? 5. Over 12. Yes. Then odd numbers we maintain as 7, right? Over 12. Now, outcomes here will be odd or odd, then here odd even, then here even odd number, then here even what? Even. Now we can easily answer the question. So they're saying, okay, so what we do here, the first question is calculate the probability that both cubes are odd what? Are odd numbered. So we are going directly where we have odd, right? Yes. So it will be probability of odd what? Odd, which will be the first odd, which is 7 what? 7 over 13 multiplied by 6 over 13, eh? Then here 6 over 12. Okay? Which we can reduce to what? Use a calculator to reduce, because this is paper 2. We can reduce 6 here 1, 6 here 2. Okay, and the answer will be 7 over 20 what? So 7 times 6, 42 over 13 times 12, 156. Then you can just punch this on the calculator. It will be reduced.
7 over 26.
So it is 7 over 26. How this one is done? Okay, so on the calculator you can punch 42 divide over, use this over 42 over 156, right?
Yes.
Then is equals to, so it has been reduced to 7 over 20, 7 over 26 directly. Okay, so don't stress yourself. You're using a calculator, punch everything on the calculator so that you save what? Time. The second question is saying calculate the probability that only how many? 1 is even what? Even numbered. Only 1 is what? Even numbered. They're not saying that the first one is even what? Even numbered. It's just saying one of the two is even what? Numbered. So the first one here is odd, even, odd, even. So we're going to get this one and this one, eh?
Yes.
So we're going to do like this. Odd even plus even number times what? Odd number. Okay, then here the odd number for the first one here, odd even, is 7 over 13 multiplied by the even number here is 6 over what? 6 over 12. Close, plus, open bracket. The even number here is 6 over 13. 6 over 13 multiplied by the odd number is 7 what? 7 over 12. 7 over 12. It's just the same here, even here is just the same. So you can just go direct that this one is 42 over 150 what? 6 plus, even this side,
Yes.
42 over 156. Since we have the same denominator here, you can just write 156, then add what? 42 plus what? 42, which is giving us 80 what? 84 over 156. Let's do the same thing what we've done, as done to the first question. It will be reduced. Okay, so it is 84 over 156, okay, is equals to, so it has been reduced to 7 over 13. So say 7 over 13. This is our answer. The reason why it was 3 marks, because it was involving this side and this side. Okay, that's it. So that is the answer to this question here.